Then you get into the big boys, inlay and heaps.
Have you done those?
Ash?
Yeah.
I think she just died last week.
Ash?
Yeah, somebody died in Imlay. No, not Imlay. Somebody died on heaps. Yeah.
So, Ash, have you invited Lauret to our Airbnb or no?
To where?
To our VRBO.
She's not going to spend the night.
I know, but.
I did, you know.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. She seemed nice.
Yeah.
With your group, I never met anybody that is not nice. Probably I'm the most crazy person.
You know what everybody else has said that in my group? Except you, everybody has been nice.
Everybody has? What did he say?
Everybody else has said that in my group,
Ah.
everybody else except you is nice.
Has anybody done it before?
Probably that's true.
I'm just messing with you.
Probably that's true.